In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and set up the PNC Mobile app. Let's make sure you're fully equipped to access your banking needs right from your smartphone. To start, you'll need to ensure your device is compatible with the app. If you're using an iPhone, it should be running iOS 14 or later. For those on Android devices, you'll need Android 8.0 or later. Ensuring your operating system is up to date will provide the best experience and help you access all the app's features seamlessly. Once you've confirmed that your device meets the requirements, it's time to download the PNC Mobile app. If you're on an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type PNC Mobile and look for the official app by PNC Bank, NA. Once you've found it, tap on the app and hit Install. This will begin the download and installation process on your device. Now let's move on to using the application. Open the newly installed PNC Mobile app. If you're already registered for online banking with PNC, tap Log In. Here, you'll be asked to enter your user ID and password. For security reasons, you might be prompted to complete two-factor authentication. This could be a text message, an email, or a phone call with a verification code. Completing this step is crucial to help protect your account. After logging in, you can set up Touch ID or Face ID if you would like to use biometric authentication for future logins, or choose to create a passcode. This can make accessing your account quicker and more secure. If you're new to PNC Online Banking, there's a slightly different process to follow. From the login screen, tap Enroll in Online Banking. To create an account, you will need to provide some personal and banking information. This includes your social security number, your PNC account number, and your debit card number along with the PIN or another form of verification. You'll then create a user ID and password. For additional security, you'll go through some identity verification steps. Once you've set up your online banking profile, you can return to the login screen to sign in with your new credentials. By following these steps, you'll have the PNC mobile app set up and ready to enhance your mobile banking experience. This app offers the convenience of banking at your fingertips, allowing you to manage your finances from just about anywhere. Thank you for joining us. Remember to keep your login information secure and your app updated to always give you the best service. Enjoy the ease of accessing your accounts with the